Imagine the delicious spread of Nutella, a creamy, silky mixture of hazelnuts, cocoa, and sugar that many of us indulge in daily. But how exactly is this irresistible treat made? The process is more intricate than you might think, from carefully selecting the finest ingredients to the final jar reaching your pantry. Each step of Nutella's creation is a testament to precision and craftsmanship. Stay with us to uncover the secrets behind Nutella's perfection. Nutella is more than just a spread. It's a global phenomenon. But behind every jar of this creamy delight is a meticulous process that combines advanced technology, skilled craftsmanship, and a deep respect for quality ingredients. Today, we're going to take you on a journey into the heart of Nutella's production process. From the selection of hazelnuts to the final packaging, this documentary-style exploration will uncover every step that goes into making the world's favorite chocolate hazelnut spread. If you've ever wondered how Nutella goes from farm to table, this is the ultimate guide to understanding the journey that makes this iconic treat so irresistible. The journey of Nutella begins with one key ingredient: hazelnuts. These little nuts are the heart of Nutella's flavor, making it stand out from other spreads. Sourcing hazelnuts may seem straightforward, but it's a careful process that requires attention to detail. Nutella sources its hazelnuts from regions known for their superior quality, like Turkey, which accounts for around 70% of the world's hazelnut production. These nuts are harvested in late summer and undergo a selection process to ensure only the best make it into the final product. Once the hazelnuts arrive at the factory, they go through cleaning to remove any dirt or impurities before they are roasted. The roasting process is crucial for developing the signature Nutella flavor. The hazelnuts are carefully roasted to bring out their full richness, ensuring they provide the perfect base for the spread. It's important to note that this process is done at a controlled temperature to avoid over-roasting, which could affect the taste and texture of the final product. As the hazelnuts roast, their aroma fills the factory, giving a clear indication of the incredible flavor soon to be unleashed. This delicate balance of temperature and timing ensures that every batch of Nutella has that unmistakable hazelnut flavor that we all love. Once the hazelnuts have been cleaned and selected, the next step is roasting. Roasting is a delicate process that allows the natural oils in the nuts to emerge, giving Nutella its rich, smooth texture and its deep, nutty flavor. The temperature must be controlled with precision. Too high, and the nuts burn. Too low, and the oils won't release. This is where the expertise of Nutella's production team comes into play. The roasted hazelnuts are then transferred to grinders, where they're broken down into a fine paste. The grinding process helps release the nut oils, creating a smooth base for the next phase. But grinding isn't just about breaking down the nuts. It's about achieving the perfect consistency. The goal is to create a paste that's both smooth and creamy, not gritty. The paste will serve as the foundation of Nutella's creamy texture. As the paste is ground, it undergoes a fine-tuning process, ensuring that the particles are reduced to the perfect size. This step is essential for ensuring that every bite of Nutella is as smooth as the last. After grinding, the hazelnut paste is combined with other ingredients to begin the transformation into Nutella. Now that we have our smooth hazelnut paste, it's time to add the other ingredients that make Nutella so special. The next essential ingredient is cocoa, which gives Nutella its rich, chocolatey flavor. But it's not just any cocoa. It's the highest quality cocoa sourced from regions like West Africa, where the finest cocoa beans are harvested. The cocoa is carefully blended with the hazelnut paste to create a balanced chocolate hazelnut flavor that's instantly recognizable. Sugar is also added to sweeten the mixture, along with a touch of milk powder to give it a creamy texture. The key here is balance. Too much cocoa and the flavor becomes overwhelming. Too little and it lacks the rich chocolatey taste. The addition of milk powder brings the perfect level of creaminess, ensuring Nutella's smooth texture. Once all the ingredients are combined, the mixture is blended thoroughly to ensure that each batch has the same flavor and texture, regardless of where it's made. After blending, Nutella enters a critical process known as conching. Conching is where the magic happens, as the mixture is finely refined and smoothed to create that perfect consistency. The paste is placed in large conches, machines designed to knead and refine the chocolate and hazelnut mixture for hours. This process allows the oils to blend with the cocoa and sugar, creating a silky, smooth texture. The conching process also helps develop the flavor, allowing the various ingredients to meld together harmoniously. The amount of time spent in the conche is crucial. If done too quickly, the texture may remain gritty, and the flavors won't be fully developed. On the other hand, too much time in the conche could make the mixture overly smooth, losing that rich, nutty texture that defines Nutella. The refined mixture is then tested to ensure it meets Nutella's high standards before moving on to the next step. The final step in the Nutella production process is perhaps the most important: packaging. This is where everything comes together, and Nutella is prepared for its journey to households around the world. But the packaging process isn't just about putting the spread into jars. It's a sophisticated, high-tech operation designed to maintain the product's quality and freshness while ensuring efficiency at an industrial scale. Once the creamy Nutella is refined and cooled, it's carefully loaded into automated filling machines. These machines are designed to pour the exact right amount of Nutella into each jar with incredible precision. They do this quickly, ensuring that each jar is filled without any air gaps or overflows, all while preventing contamination. The jars are sealed tightly to preserve freshness and prevent spoilage. The packaging material itself is also carefully selected to maintain the spread's perfect texture, ensuring it remains smooth and spreadable even after being stored for a long time. But the process doesn't stop there. Each jar of Nutella is meticulously inspected before it leaves the factory. High-speed cameras and sensors check for imperfections in the lids, labels, and the amount of Nutella in each jar. If anything doesn't meet the strict standards of quality, the jar is discarded. This thorough quality control process ensures that only the finest jars of Nutella make it to store shelves. After passing through quality control, the jars are carefully packaged into cartons, ready to be shipped worldwide. Nutella's production lines are designed for speed, but efficiency never compromises quality. The spread is carefully stored in temperature-controlled environments to maintain its optimal consistency and taste. From there, Nutella heads to distributors and retailers, eventually reaching your kitchen. By the time it's ready for you to enjoy, Nutella has undergone a precise, thorough process, from the careful selection of hazelnuts to the final packaging touch. This attention to detail ensures that every jar is as perfect as the last, delivering the same consistent flavor and texture that Nutella fans know and love. After the packaging, Nutella undergoes one last critical process: quality control. While most of the production process focuses on creating the perfect spread, quality control ensures that every jar, regardless of where it's produced, is flawless and consistent. This is where the real attention to detail comes into play, ensuring that Nutella meets the highest standards of taste, texture, and safety. At this stage, the Nutella jars are randomly selected from the production line for rigorous testing. Each jar is inspected for several factors: correct fill level, proper sealing, and even the condition of the label. This ensures that there are no air bubbles or underfilled jars, which could lead to an imperfect product. High-tech sensors and cameras are used to verify each jar's integrity. These systems can detect any imperfections that might be invisible to the human eye. Next, taste testing plays a crucial role in the quality control process. A small sample of Nutella from each batch is tested for consistency and flavor. Trained quality control experts check for things like smoothness, sweetness, and texture. Nutella is known for its unique balance of hazelnut, cocoa, and milk, and it's vital that every batch meets that exact flavor profile. The spread must be creamy without being too thick, with the perfect blend of sweetness and richness. Another critical aspect of quality control is food safety. Nutella is subjected to tests that check for microbial contamination, ensuring that it is safe for consumption. The spread must adhere to strict food safety standards, so every jar that reaches the consumer is free of harmful substances. After passing all these tests, the jars are considered ready for shipment. Thanks to this comprehensive quality control process, Nutella's trademark taste and texture remain consistent, no matter where you buy it. This final step solidifies the brand's commitment to delivering only the best, ensuring that every spoonful of Nutella you enjoy has been meticulously crafted for perfection. After Nutella has passed the rigorous quality control checks, it's time for it to embark on its journey from the factory to your kitchen. The distribution process is as complex and precise as any other part of the production, ensuring that each jar arrives at its destination in perfect condition, ready to be enjoyed by consumers worldwide. The journey begins when the freshly packaged jars of Nutella are loaded into large, temperature-controlled shipping containers. These containers are designed to keep the spread at its optimal temperature, ensuring that the consistency and flavor remain unchanged during transportation. Nutella is a delicate product, and maintaining the right conditions is crucial to preserving its smooth, creamy texture. From the factory, Nutella is shipped to regional distribution centers, often located in key cities or ports. These centers act as hubs, where Nutella is stored temporarily before being sent to local retailers and supermarkets. The global supply chain network Nutella uses is vast, allowing the brand to supply over 160 countries with its iconic spread. Whether it's a small grocery store in a village or a large supermarket in a bustling city, Nutella ensures that its product reaches every corner of the world. Once the jars reach local distribution centers, they are loaded onto trucks and transported to retail outlets. Here, the jars are carefully placed on shelves, where they are ready to catch the eyes of shoppers. Nutella's branding is instantly recognizable, with its bright, iconic logo and signature brown and gold packaging standing out in the aisle. But the distribution process doesn't stop there. Nutella's success relies heavily on its ability to manage inventory and ensure that its product is always available. The brand employs sophisticated logistics systems to track and manage shipments, ensuring that store shelves are always stocked with fresh jars of Nutella. The distribution process is essential to Nutella's global reach, and it ensures that Nutella fans everywhere have access to the creamy, delicious spread they love. If you found this journey of Nutella's creation as fascinating as we did, don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks at your favorite products. Whether it's discovering how luxury items are made or diving deep into food manufacturing, we've got you covered. So hit that subscribe button and let's explore the world of production together.